The power of a smile. Let's talk about the power of a smile. I will voice my thoughts. In my opinion, a smile can start a friendship and make us gain a sense of happiness. Last year, when I entered a new school as a middle school student, I had no friends and felt lonely. One day, when I was running the ground, I was tripped by a stone and fell onto the ground. I tried to stand up, but I couldn't do it because of my hurting belly knee. I felt so sad, but then a hand came into my sight. When I looked up, I saw a big smile, which was from my new classmate who is called Lily. I grabbed the hand without thinking twice and stood up. From then on, Lily and I became good friends. However, even best friends also have arguments sometimes. Lily and I are no exception. Last week, we argued. After that, I went home. I regretted my bad temper after calming down that night. But I was embarrassed to talk to her. Then I sent an emoji of a smile to Lily's mobile phone. I was waiting and was worried she wouldn't talk to me anymore. For a while, I heard the ring of a video chat. When I accepted the chat, I saw a face with a big smile on the screen. I was really moved. We make up. According to the story, I'm sure you can experience how great the power of a smile is. So try to give others a smile every time, and you will improve a person or even the world. Our lives will become warmer and warmer.